Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you're fine. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life with 2024 31-day Smashbook Challenge. We are on day 30. Yes, 30. So, before I show you, I'm going to explain a little bit about my Smashbooks. This is not my typical Smashbook. After 31 days, I'm going to show you my Smashbooks that I've done for the last 2 years. I never followed a challenge in a Smashbook before, so I teetered off here and there because a lot of this list that Tammy came up with, there's a lot of repeats on it to me, so I came up with my own. So, I had fun and I enjoyed this. Would I do it again? Probably not. I like doing my own thing in my Smashbooks. This is a smaller version of the Smashbooks. They're, like I said, I think I mentioned it. I don't remember. To me, they're too pricey. I got lucky on my first two and found them really reasonable. I would not buy them these days. This was just a kit I thought. As a matter of fact, I thought it was a bigger one when I bought it. It turned out to be a smaller one. So guess what? I used it here. But Smashbooks to me is you just, whatever you choose to put in it. There's no wrong or right way. My Smashbooks usually tend to be about my current day or current week or something I've done or who I do it with. These are like things that I want someday my grandchildren and even my great-grandchildren to look at. This one, kinda. There's a little bit of family in it, but it's a laughable one, I think. I enjoyed doing it. Diamond's looked at it a few times. She thinks it's awesome, so at the end of the day, that's my opinion. So day 30, I changed it. And if you don't see yourself here, it doesn't mean I'm not watching you. It's just I kind of been centering on a couple channels at the moment, and they're not even crafters channels because I'll explain why when you see the page. So let's go. So, day 30, I changed it to YouTube channels I watch. And Diamond came up with this one. Because she's like, Mom, you know what'd be good? Is if you made note of the YouTube channels that you watch. So, the kids can go back and maybe find your channels. And I want to list a lot of my channels. But the thing is like I told Diamond, you can go in and see my subbies when, if the kids want to. Whatever. Okay, so, here we go. So, if you don't see your name here, don't freak. Okay, so these are some YouTube channels that I've watched in 2024 of March. Okay, some are pretty regular ones that I watch religiously. Okay, some are ones that I focus on, and there's, like I said, so many more. These are just some of them. Okay, so each week I try to make my rounds, and it's hard to get to watch you all, okay? Especially if I want to do something myself. But, so where to start, I always make sure I check on Sabrina and Miss Cat and Tammy and Cheryl. Always. And then I have my two personal mixed media artists that I always go check on. My Diane Riley and Nia Bailey. I like her. And of course, I love Diane Riley. So then, some two channels that I like watching once a week, or when they usually put a video out, is Exploring with Josh. He does paranoia videos or abandoned buildings. I like watching him do it. Scott on Tape. I'm kind of new to him this year. He does walks around cemeteries, shows you where some stars are buried, or some not so famous people. He finds graveyards. Like he found one not long ago alongside of a Walmart parking lot. Crazy. Okay, this channel, Lawyer You Know, kind of go with law and crime and court TV. Now I'll tell you straight up, if there's a good trial going on court TV and law and crime, that's where I am. And then I come over, I'll watch the trial, and then usually he does a video and he'll kind of sum it up, or like if something comes up and everybody's like in a trial, because people can ask him questions and he'll answer it. I love watching him. So them are some of the channels that I've been watching. There are many, many more of you that I watch too. And you know, because I say hi or I comment. So I want to thank you guys for sticking along. We only have one more day, guys. One more day. Look at my books. Ain't many pages left in my book. And I'll have the whole thing done. So what I'm going to do, because I only got a few pages after the 31, is I will probably, who knows, fill them up with something. And you'll understand when I do 31 will be both pages. I can tell you that already. More than likely. And like I said, my book was like a kitchen kind of book. So I don't mind covering pages. Sometimes like this one, I thought it was cute because it said say cheese and it had all your guys' little icons, you know. Underneath was the cheese, and being from Wisconsin, that'd have been cool if I did, like, if I was using this for something from in Wisconsin. And, you know, I don't mind covering up the pages. It's all right. I mean, it's your book. You do what you want with it. And on April 1st, I will do from front to bottom, from beginning to end. And who knows what I'll do on these pages after the 31st. It's only be a couple of them, so I will probably come up with something. Maybe I'll put some of my own mixed media in there. I haven't decided yet. We'll see. But I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.